So well, now we shall move to design the counter by using SR flip-flop and JK flip-flop. In the previous two videos, we have designed the counter by using T flip-flop as well as D flip-flop. Now we are designing the counter by using SR flip-flop and JK flip-flop. So definitely there will be one problem based on this. They will definitely give the sequence and they will ask you to design the counter either by using JK, SR, T or D flip-flop. I don't know which flip-flop they are going to ask. So definitely there will be one problem based on this. Minimum of 8 to 10 marks. Okay. So let me show how to design the counter by using SR now. Before I hope you people remember what is S and what is R. SR flip-flop. S refers to set, R refers to reset. When both the inputs are 0 and 0, it retains its previous state. So when S is 1 and R is 0, so that is set state, it will set the state to let me write S R. So 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. So this is output. So when both the inputs are 0 and 0, so whatever the flip-flop which is present, whatever the data which is present in the flip-flop previously, that will be retains previous state when both the inputs are 0 and 0. When S is 0, R is 1, R refers to reset. So whatever might be present in the flip-flop. For example, if this is Q plus, let me write Q. So in case retains its previous state means if Q is 0, the Q plus will be 0 for 0 and 0. Okay. So for 0 and 1 for reset state. So reset means it will completely reset the flip-flops to 0, like clear, even though the present state is 1 or 0. So present state 1 or 0, it might be 1 or 0. So the next state will be 0. So no matter, it might be 1 or it might be 0. Okay, it doesn't make any difference. When S is equal to 0, R is equal to 1, reset. So the output will be 0 itself. So when S is equal to 1, R is equal to 0. Okay, when S is equal to 1 and R is equal to 0, we call it as a set state. So no matter what, the present state might be 1 or 0. So the next state will be 1. This is fixed. Previous state 1 or 0, whatever it might be. The next state will be 1. When S is equal to 1, R is equal to 0. We call it as a set. This is reset. And 1 on 1, this is not allowed. This is what we learned in the previous chapter. Okay, so based on this, so they have written when it is 0 and 0, if the present state is 0, it retains its the present state, that will be 0. If the present state, if 0 and 0, present state 1 means next state will be also 1 because both are 0 and 0. So what is that? 0 0 means retains the previous state. So previous state refers to Q, next state refers to Q plus. So whatever present in the previous state, that will be the next state when 0 and 0. 0 1 0 1. See, look at 0 1 0 1. So both are reset. Reset means no matter what, whether the present state is 0 or 1, the next state will be 0 itself. So 1 0 1 0. Set state 1 0 1 0, set state. No matter what, present state is 0 or 1, the next state will be 1. Fix. 1 and 1. So present state might be 0 or 1, so but inputs are not allowed. Okay. So keeping this table, we are condensing this one. So look at here. Here it is 0 0. Where is another 0 0? Here it is 0 0 0 0. So here it is 0 0 and 0 1. The same thing. 0 0 I have written in common. I have taken this 0 0 and this 0 0. I have written 0 0. For this 0 0, SR is 0 0. For this 0 0, the SR is 0 1. So I have written 0 0 and 0 1 here. Okay. Next, I have taken 0 1. Where it is 0 1? Here it is 0 1. Is there any other 0 1s here? No 0 1 0 1 0 1. No 0 1. Only 1 0 1. 0 1. So the SR is 1 0. I have written 1 0. So next, I will take 1 0. Okay. Is there any 1 0? One more 0? 1 0. 1 0. There is no one more 1 0. So this is 1 0. So the SR would be 0 1. So I written 0 1. For 1 0, 0 1 I have written. So for 1 and 1, okay. Sorry, not 1 and 1. So here it is 1 and 1. Is there any 1 and 1? Here it is 2 1 and 1. 1 and 1, 1 and 1. So here 0 0 and here 1 0. I have written 0 0 and 1 0. So I hope you people came to know how I have written this based on this. Okay. So now concentrate on these two. For present state, Q refers to present state, Q plus refers to next state, SR. So if both are 0 0, okay. So look at here, R changes. S is common here. F for both S is 0 0 itself, but R differs. 0 and 1 changes. So rather than writing these two 0 and 1, so I will keep S as common as 0. For 0 0, for 0 0, for 0 0, I will write S is common, right? 0 for both. For 0 0, S is here also 0, here also 0. So I have written 0 here. But R is 0 and 1. So it can be 0 or it can be 1. So I have written don't care. So don't care can be 0 or 1, right? So I have written don't care. So this 0 1 and 1 0 as it is, 0 and 1 0 as it is written, 1 0 and 0 1, 1 0 and 0 1 as it is I have written. So for 1 and 1, S changes 0 and 1, but R is common 0 0. So I have written 0. S changes 0 and 1. So it can be 0 or it can be 1. So rather than writing 0 and 1 both, I have written don't care. Don't care can be either 0 or 1. So this table we call it as an excitation table. So you might have seen the previous year question paper. They might ask to write the excitation table of SR flip-flop and JK flip-flop. In such a case, you are supposed to write this table. This is an excitation table of SR flip-flop. Okay. So to write this table, you need to remember this table. So if you remember this table, then it will be just a 2 minutes. You can fill this table. Okay. So now, so as usual, present state and this one table, what we did in the previous videos, the same thing they are written. So in the previous videos, we were supposed to write like TC, TB, TA or DC, DB, DA. Okay, because T flip-flop having single input, D flip-flop is also having single input. So we wrote only TC, TB, TA or DC, DB, DA. But when it comes to SR flip-flop, we have two inputs. One is S and another one is R. So this is S. This is with respect to SR flip-flop with respect to S A. This is SR flip-flop with respect to B. This is SR flip-flop with respect to C. We have two inputs, S and R, S and R, S and R. But in the previous videos, it was TC. We used to write TA, TB, and TC because these flip-flop having single inputs only. But SR flip-flop contain two inputs. One is S and one is R. So two columns, S with respect to A and R with respect to A. S with respect to B and R with respect to B. S with respect to C and R with respect to C. So totally 6 columns. We need to fill the 6 columns. So when there is dashes like this, just fill the don't case. So no need to look after anything. Just fill with the don't case. Okay. So now compare 0. This is like Q. This is like Q plus. Now compare A with A plus, B with B plus, and C with C plus. Okay. So like A is 0, A plus is 0. So A is 0. So this is I told this is Q plus, this is Q. So present state 0, next state 0. Present state 0, next state 0. What is S? 0x, right? Right? 0x. Okay, next. Present state is 0, next state is 0. Again write 0x. Present state is 0, next state is 1. Present state is 0, next state is 1. Write 1 0. Right? 1 0. So let me guess here. Present state is 1, next state is 0. Present state is 1, next state is 0. Write 0 1. Present state is 1, next state is 0. I am comparing B and B plus. Present state is 1, next state is 0. Present state is 1, next state is 0. Write 0 1. Right? 0 1. present state is 0, next state is 0, S0x. Present state is 1, next state is 0, 0, 1. Okay, just compare A with A plus, B with B plus, and C with C plus. If you want to fill SA or A, compare A with A plus. If you want to fill SB or B, compare B with B plus. If you want to fill SC with RC, compare C with C plus. When you find 0, 1, see here, 0, 1, what is that? Write here. When you find 0, 0, see, look at here, what is 0, 0? S0x, write here. If you find 1 and 1, look at here, this is 1, B with B plus, 1 and 1 should be filled with here. So 1, 1. So what is 1, 1? X0. So fill with X0. So like this, you need to fill this table. Once you are done with this, construct a K-map for this column, this column, this column, this column, this column, this column. So totally 6 K-maps. K-map with RA, K-map with SA, K-map with RB, K-map with SB, K-map with RC, and K-map with SC. So 3 variable K-map. As we did in the previous. So this is a K-map with SA, K-map with RA, K-map with SB, K-map with RB, K-map with SC, K-map with RC. You know how to group the things, how to write the circuit diagram. So as usual, they have written SR flip-flop, S flip-flop, R flip-flop, SR, 2 inputs, S and R, S and R, S and R. Okay, so this is with respect to A, B, C. Okay, so when you group the field with SA, you get an equation. This is A bar CB, this is A bar CB. So this is RA, you are going to get, this is A. So SB, you are going to get C here. RB, C bar A, so this is C bar A. SB is B bar, RC is A, C, like this. Getting? So this is with respect to SR flip-flop. The same thing with respect to JK flip-flop. Same thing. So only difference is, so in case of SR flip-flop, 1 and 1 inputs are not allowed, but in case of JK flip-flop, 1 and flip-flop are allowed. So look at it. Everything is same up to here with respect to SR. So when it comes to here 1 and 1, so if the present state is 0, the next state will be 1. If the present state is 1, next state will be 0. 0 is 1 agate, 1 is 0 agate. 1 and 1 input kottaga. Inverse, this is what we call as toggle. 0 means 1, 1 means 0. Getting inverted when both inputs are 1 and 1. So based on this, they have written here. So they have constructed. So look at here. This is 0x, 1x, x1. So up to here, this is same as 0x, 1, 0, 0, 1, right? So here the excitation table differs here. So let me go with that once again. So you know this one, 0, 0, 0, 1 for 0, 0. So look at this, 0, here is 0, 0, and here it is 0, 0, here it is 0, 0, and 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. So this is common, so written 0, this is 0, 1, so written x. So next, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Okay, so 1 is common, here it is 0, so 1 as it is here written. So this 0, 1 is written as don't care. Okay, so next 1, 0, where is 1, 0? Here it is 1, 0 and 1, 0. For this 1, 0, you are going to get 0, 1. I have written 0, 1 here. For this 1, 0, you are going to get 1, 1. So I have written 1, 1. So this 1 is common. Okay, here it is differs 0, 1. So rather than writing 0, 1, I have written don't care. 1 and 1, I have written 1. So next next 1 and 1. Here it is 1 and 1, and here it is 1 and 1. 1 and 1, 0, 0. Here it is. So for this 1 and 1, 1, 0. 1, 0. So 0, 0 is common here. So I written 0 here. So 0, 1, I written x. This is the excitation table of JK flip-flop. So this excitation table of SR and JK differs. So by keeping this excitation table, the same thing. Their SR, SARA. There it was written like SR with respect to A flip flop and B flip flop and C flip flop in the previous problem. Now it is JK, JA, KA, JB, KB, JC, KC. So look at, compare A with A plus, fill JA, KA. Compare B with B plus to fill JB, KB. Compare C with C plus, fill JC, KC. So if there is a don't case, fill with the don't case. So only you need to concentrate on these things. So when you're comparing this with this with this, look at the table, fill it. Look at the table, fill it. So then what you're supposed to do, construct a K map for KA, JA, KB, JB, KC, JC, 6 K maps. You're going to get 6 equations. So similarly, write JK, JK, JK. 3 flip flops. Take 3 flip flops, same as it is. Just replace S with J and R with K. Okay. So you're going to get 6 equations. For JA, you're going to get 1 equation, and KA, you're going to get 1 equation. Write that one. JC, JB, KB, JC, KC. So you're going to get 6 equations by using 6 K map. Keeping that 6 equations, whatever you did with SR flip flop, the same thing you're supposed to do with the JK flip flop. That's it. This is with respect to JK flip flop. They are also not given the thing. Okay. So they have given an equation here. Okay, what is JC is 1 and this is not the thing. Okay, so just as it is, you're supposed to fill the K map with respect to 6 K maps. So you're going to get 6 equations. So keeping those equations, you need to construct a circuit diagram like this. That's it. If you find any difficulty in writing this problem, you can contact me anytime. Okay, not an issue. This is very easy, but easily you can get 8 to 10 marks. Okay, but you need to solve by yourself. You don't just read the things. This is not a theoretical subject. This is a problematic subject. You need to solve by yourself. If you solve, you can able to solve the problems in your test or entrance thoroughly. So if you just keep on reading the things, then definitely you're going to get stuck in your entrance or examination in the middle. Okay, solve madi, hodkobadi. It's not the thing like to mug up the things. Okay, that's it.